Hi, I'm Linda Falter, and this poem is entitled To Ben at 21. Dear son, when you find yourself in a stare down, as I was just now, with a looming blank space, I admit it's tempting to look to the sapient face of the greeting card, maybe borrow a symbol or two. After all, why did you buy it, if not for the luminescent dawn, the boats loosely moored, awaiting the launch of a journey beyond, etc. ad nauseum. But it just so happened that while I was eyeing a ripe metaphor to pluck, I was all of a sudden struck with a solitude. No one is pictured there. No one compels you to step through the muck, to shove boat from shore, to lift your feet to the wobbly floor of the rickety dog-chewed rowboat you apparently just stole. Inhale the brisk chill. A warm blanket in bed can never compare to the thrill of petty larceny. I'm joking, of course, but seriously, the best and worst thing about turning 21 is this: finding yourself on the lam in a stolen boat, then remembering you left your phone in your other shorts.